July the 24th, 2022, and it's Sunday. It's a little after 7. We just had our lawn mowed. It's beautiful, gorgeous, cool. We had some rain last night. So as I'm contemplating how to work into some of the details of what a restoring human 1.0 would be, of course we have to go to the unchangeable, eternal words of God to have a sense of verification and purity and right standing. And through that, we go to the scriptures and we go to Genesis chapter 1. And in Genesis chapter 1, very simply, it says, in the beginning, God, Yah, created the heavens and the earth. You have to pause, every human, any reader, any language, any tribe, any tongue. This is a declaration. This isn't for debate. There's a beginning, right? That's the introduction of time. That there is such a thing as time. There is also the idea of eternity, where there is no beginning. But there is a beginning for us. Every one of us has a beginning. God does not have a beginning. But the heaven and the earth have a beginning, because it says God, the eternal one, created, fashioned, built, designed heaven and earth. So there's a differentiation. There's heaven, up. Looking up is heaven. Earth is out and down. So when I look out, earth, right? Earth. When I look up, heaven. God created space. The separation of heaven and earth. That's the summary statement. As we move on into Genesis chapter 1, we will learn the detail of what God created, how he created, the order, the succession. And it's very important to understand the order, what was made on day 1, day 2, all the way to day 7. And this is how restoring human 1.0, to me, is best served. You have 1 week of creation, and you have 1 week separated from the world system, and you meditate in each element or each thing or whatever was created on each day. God could have said boom and it all was, but he laid it out in a 1 week process. So when you get to day 1, you have light, and we need to understand what light is. It's not sunlight, it's light. It's God's light. God is light, and in him there's no variation or turning. So in the beginning, introduction of time, God, Yah, eternal one, created, built, fashioned with his hands, heaven and earth. Distinction, heaven and earth. If we could get the modern man, the technological man, the robots, the AI, to know this, there's not a thing they can do to unravel what God has built. There's secret sauce everywhere. So may God bless these introductory thoughts on Genesis chapter 1, verse 1, first sentence. And may the Lord take that sentence and write it indelibly upon your heart. Amen.